candidate is candidate K43, Miss Ana Marie Humanta.
Hello.
Good evening, Ana Marie.
Good evening.
How are you doing?
I'm fine so far.
You seem so relaxed.
No. I just want to feel I'm relaxed.
Yeah, and it shows that you're relaxed. Ana Marie, what do you think is your edge among the 25 candidates? Among the 24 candidates that we have tonight?
Well, as far as I heard from them, all of them are very good at singing. And for me, I think my voice also, but something else, I don't know. It depends upon the judges. I cannot speak for myself as far as I know now.
Okay, you're very humble. So you don't know what is it? Maybe it's what you call the X factor.
I wish.
What are you going to sing for us tonight?
I want to know what love is.
You want to know what love is? Wow. Okay, what is love for you?
You cannot define it actually.
Okay, you cannot define it. How will you define it in action?
It's so hard.
It's so hard. So love is so hard. Okay, so let's give her a hand as she sings. I want to know what love is.
Thank you.
Miss Ana Marie Humanta. Bigyan po natin siya sa masigabang palakpakan.
There's mountain on the spine. It's like the world upon my shoulder.